Hello, and welcome to a new video. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT and Image R together. Let's get started. Navigate to ChatGPT and make sure you're logged in. No paid license is needed, just an account. I've created a highly effective prompt that I use for most of my images. I'll also include it in the video description so you can easily copy and use it. The only word you need to change in the prompt is chameleon. You can either replace it with something else or add details. For example, chameleon on a branch. The result is quite good. But I'm not a fan of the blur effect, so I'll ask ChatGPT to remove it. If you're happy with the image, click the small download arrow in the top right corner. The downloaded image is usually in WEBP format, which isn't ideal for engraving. To convert it, go to a website like convert.io or any other file conversion service. Once the process is finished, click the blue download button. Now, go to image-r.com. If you upload the image, you'll see that the width and height are 1024 pixels, which is too low for proper engraving. To fix this, navigate to Enhance in the top menu. Upload the image and choose a multiplier. I usually use a factor of 3 with the fast method. After enhancement, return to the main Image R site and upload the enhanced image. Select grayscale, since we want to engrave it. Resize the image according to your engraving needs. You can't change the size anymore, so make sure to set it correctly before proceeding. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I use 318 dpi. After resizing, select a material. I prefer the Kaja algorithm, and since I'm engraving on birch plywood, I'll choose wood. One of the most important steps is using the one-touch function. I prefer to disable denoise and sharpen, especially for wood engraving, but that's a personal preference. The shading looks better with more details and fewer dark spots. However, using the color correction feature in advanced settings improves the result even further. I slightly increase gamma to enhance the midtones. Once everything looks good, save the image as PNG and the preparation is complete. Open your laser software and import the prepared image. You can either press the P key to center the image or use the position icon in the top menu and select Move to Page Center. To cut out the image, draw a rectangle of the same size and center it on the page. These are my settings for the 80-watt CO2 laser. The most important setting is enabling Passthrough. I've also included all the settings in the video description. Now, let's start the engraving process. The laser is perfectly aligned and in focus. I also use a compound lens for high-detail results. If you're using a stock lens, I recommend lowering the DPI. Once the engraving is complete, use a soft brush to remove any residue and enjoy the result of your ChatGPT and Image R collaboration. I hope you like the outcome. Subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. As you may have noticed, we're working on bringing new content every few days. Thanks for watching and happy engraving!